Now hang this iron plate on the wall. Take off these 4 screws first.
Rehang this iron plate up again. Put the light back on.
Now hang the signboard up. Tighten the screw a little bit. Put these 4 screws back on. Now hang up the lights, 2 screws. When the screws are fixed, just 2 fixed screws. Using black carbon steel screws. The intensity should be enough. Now go ahead and connect this wire to it.
The wire trough above is an iron wire trough. The cable is a bit long. After you pinch it,
Internalize wiring.
This light is all set up. Let's test the power later. Let's see how it turns out. This light...
Unthinkable power restored.
Blue wire I connected is ground. Black wire on power supply end is also ground. Blue wire functions as neutral.
I accidentally swapped the neutral wire and the ground wire, so trip the breaker. Now let me set the record straight.
Indicator light works well. Charging status. Installed light upside down. Why wearing it backwards? Because power interface is on this end.
Now you're here, the exit is near. I dressed in reverse. Turn off light, see what happens.
Emergency light can be turned on. Light there seems to have weak battery.
No problem.